Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving my machine a much needed love after countless projects. First and super important, turn off your machine. When you buy your Singer 8280, it usually comes with some handy accessories. And that small cleaning brush is one of them. You will also find a small tool to remove screws. And you will need some dedicated sewing machine oil. Let's dive in. Start taking off the bobbin and its case and carefully take off the shuttle part. Now use that small brush and clean out all the dust and thread pieces. Alright, now let's take off the presser foot and then remove the needle like this. You might also find upper screws to remove for better access here. Okay, you can see a lot of dust and tiny thread fragments that can affect your stitching. Clean out well. In the meantime, I am also cleaning the bobbin shuttle parts. Now it's time to oil. Use a dedicated sewing machine oil. I am using Singer sewing machine oil. Focus 1 or 2 drops directly on the bobbin race right here. Now my machine looks good as new. Let's carefully put all the parts back in place. When putting the needle back, remember the flat side goes to the back. Push it all the way up gently and tighten the screw. Once done, turn the hand wheel a few times. Perfect. Now my machine is ready for action. If you loved this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.